If you want to enhance your security on Kraken by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Start by visiting the Kraken website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the Account Settings menu. Step 3. Access Device Management. In the Security section, look for an option labeled Device Management or Manage Devices. Click on this option to view all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Identify all devices. Review the list of devices that have access to your account. Identify any devices that you no longer use or recognize, as these should be removed for security purposes. Step 5. Remove unwanted devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove and follow the prompts to delete them from your account. Confirm the action if prompted to ensure the devices are successfully removed. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and secure your Kraken account by removing any old devices. Regularly updating your security settings is a good practice to maintain account safety.